So I'm 110% a professional at this. Listen, I know what I'm doing. I'm the best. I would say I'm the best at what I do. Best motovlogger in the history of ever, which is why I haven't uploaded a video as far as YouTube in what seems like forever. Now I have my friend Bisbee editing all my videos. Everyone say hi to Bisbee. I decided today, you know what, I need to just go out, get on my bike and film some videos, or just film a video just to get some content in, just to, you know, film something, because I haven't gotten some intimate time between just me and my camera, which I think is important. If you're a moto vlogger, you need to be able to just get out and ride and talk to a camera for a bit. So I did, and now I'm back out. This is now the second time I had to leave my house today, because the first time I had everything good to go, my batteries were charged, and I forgot to move all the footage in my SD card to my computer. And then when I started to do that, I left and my SD card was still at my house. Remember, I'm a professional. I'm the best that there ever was. Yep. I also just passed Providence Medical Center, which apparently there's an active shooter in the area. Thanks for the heads up, buddy. Why am I going that way? I'm gonna go this way because there's a lot of traffic, it looks like. Oh my god, there's a yellow light. Yeah, a lot of traffic, a lot of random things going on right now, a lot of me forgetting. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I forgot the SD card at home, so I turned around, going all the way back, got my SD card, and now we're back out on the road. So I'm gonna ride around, get some footage, I think. Maybe do some wheelies if I'm... Look at that blue house. It's a blue ass house. Maybe get some wheelies if I can. And then I think I'm gonna go to my grandparents' house for some dinner. Super exciting stuff. I think we're having kebabs tonight. You remember in one of my other videos, I believe it would have been a couple videos ago, I talked about, oh, it was in my first R1 video. First ride on the R1 video, I talked about pushing out content. I talked about editing. I talked about enjoying what you do, enjoying the process, because if not, the process will screw you. I didn't just say that. I didn't just say that to say that. And little by little, as I do the content and I do this stuff, I just find myself getting more and more burnt out. And that's not to say that I'm not enjoying specifically content creation. I love content creation. This is my bread and butter. I love doing it. It's so much fun. But that being said, when you do this stuff, a lot of people who do this still have full-time jobs outside of motovlogging, outside of the content creation. I think it's something that we should talk about more, is finding healthy balance between your motovlogging and your main priorities, which are maybe school, work, maybe you have kids, maybe you have extracurriculars. Either way, that's just something that I feel like I'm going through now personally, and I'm trying to find a way to balance it all. Still trying to find a way to do the things I love most in tandem with my main priorities, which are my full-time job and my schooling. I am also working towards my MBA right now. That's something that I think you need to be cognizant of when you go into this. It's not only about, making sure that you enjoy what you do, because a lot of people do it, and I mean they're going to be enjoying what they do. That's easy. The follow-up question is, can you manage your time well enough and effectively enough to not only handle the needs of your main priorities, which should be your work, your school, whatever, if motovlogging content creation isn't your full-time job. But for students and full-time employees like me, who motovlogging isn't their full-time responsibility, how to manage your time effectively. I feel like I'm just kind of yapping in circles about it, but I think it's something that, if you're getting into this space, it's something you need to be aware of. Learn to manage your time effectively. Learn to do things that may promote a healthy work-life balance, and ensure that during your life portion of the work-life balance, you are still finding time outside of just this to relax, take time, because I still find burnout in things that I love. a completely different direction from the way that we were going to go before, which was the hospital, because there's an active shooter in the area. Let's just not be involved with that. Hey, brother. I got a brother wave. One thing that I think you should also invest in enduro batteries, because I find myself constantly burning through batteries for no reason at all, because one, I suck at charging them, and two, enduro batteries don't last all that long. That being said, I mean, like, I'll still get like 2 hours of footage. Once I utilize them, they're just kind of done for a bit until I can find time to charge them. Usually the GoPro batteries that you get when they first start off, when you first start off with a new GoPro, the blue ones, those things suck, dude. Those are not good. Do I go down 435 at 5 o'clock in the afternoon? This sounds like a terrible idea. That's north. We'll go south down to another back road across the river. 5:15 to 5:30, I think I had to be there, so I got a little bit. I'll just take a back route all the way there. And I don't know if I got gas. I'm a professional. Over the weekend, we ended up doing some big group rides, none of which I ended up filming. I think I'm allowing that burnout of my own personal life, my work, my school, my stuff like that, impact my ability to want to go out and get good videos. I just kind of stopped, which in hindsight may not have been the best decision. Oh, way too much lean angle there, but we're gonna fix it and go forward now. Sick. I wish I had a thing on here that would tell me how much lean angle I had, because I was over. I was bent. I was getting it. All that traffic. I'm so glad I'm not in that right now. Work situations came up on Sunday that allowed me to get out for today, so I'm just trying to take as much advantage of it as I can. Oh no, I need gas. And I don't know if I got gas. Oh my god, I'm terrible at this. When was the last time I got gas? And where's the nearest gas station? Oh my god. Well, I can't take the route I was gonna take now because I don't have... Okay, I'm gonna just... Okay, boy needs gas. Oh, so yesterday I got to go out, ride with some friends, did some cool stuff, went and practiced our wheelies, which is not something I was very good at before. Got to go out yesterday, yeah, practice some wheelies. I'm getting to a point to where I kind of understand technique a little bit better. Dude, I'll tell you what, wheelie is all technique, wrist control. That's it. Technique and wrist control. And by technique, I mean making sure your elbows are, you know, extended all the way. Oh my God, we're gonna just get run over real quick. Elbows are extended when you go up, leaning back in your seat, feathering it a bit before, you know, grab the clutch and pull. At least that's what I'm learning. Usually when I get advice for wheelies and things of that nature, it's just, hey, don't be a little bit twist that. And it's like, that's great, but in some cases, if you just twist the bitch, you'll lose it and loop. Oh my gosh, I'm 2.8 miles in. I know where the gas station is. I'm just wanting to get there now. Can I take a left here? I think I can. Yep. I would say yes, in some way it is twisted. Give it some more. Essentially, don't be a pansy about it. Because granted, that's where my strengths, or not my strengths, that's where my problems lied. It was about not being able to give it enough power to get that front end up enough. And now that I'm kind of past that mental barrier, I am able to get it up and we're able to, you know, do some things, but it's also ensuring that I have proper technique to keep it up. Dude, I hope there's a gas station over here, because if not, we're gonna be in the weeds here. I don't see a gas station over there. We gotta go straight. Cool. I'm in first now. Neutral. Look at that. I'm a professional. First try. That wasn't the first try. It took me a try before, but that's what you saw. That was first try. I get to go to the gym tonight. Feeling pretty good. Going to our Anytime Fitness with some friends. I've had a membership at Anytime Fitness for like the last 4 years, and I kind of just stopped going within the last 6 months because I kind of work at a gym. I'm always like, I can just work out at work. I can just go to work and work out, and that's great, but definitely not as good as going to Anytime Fitness because there's a lot less distractions there. Don't get me wrong, working out at work can be great. But that being said, it's not the same mentality because you are in a different mindset when you go to work, and going into work to work out can be sometimes mentally impairing. It can impair your mentality, I think. I'm stopping at this stoplight. It can impair your mentality, I think. I think when you go into certain environments, there's always a kind of preset, at least for me there is. It's like when I go into, let's say, Walmart, or when I go into Home Depot, right? Home Depot. Let's say I go into Home Depot. I know what I'm going in there. Usually it's the mindset to get something for home improvement. Cool. I'm going for a home improvement thing. I'm not gonna go for maybe picking up cereal. I'm not gonna go to Home Depot for cereal. You know what I am gonna go to Home Depot for? Wood. If I need a 2x4 or a hammer. When I go to work, I go to put in mental work, put in mental effort. When I go to the gym, it is, I am here to get stronger. I am here to work on myself physically. Mental is an aspect of going to the gym too, right? But I'm here to do this. I'm here to do this specific thing, and it is only that specific thing. So that's what I talk about when I mean there are preset environments, or there are preset mindset for certain environments that I go into. And I think that maybe that's just something I need to start doing more of, because when I go to work and I try and work out, it's not going to be the same thing as if I go to my actual gym. I got dark. Holy shit. I'm on F. And I don't know if I got gas. For 5.5 miles now. Oh my gosh. But I know there's a gas station up here, so we're good. I think this is the furthest I've ever been on an F trip. I don't know how many miles I can get once my gas light turns on, but I don't have there's no gas gauge on race bikes. At least there's no gas gauge on R1s. I can't speak for anything else. There's our gas station. And I know that we are good now because I am now in pushing distance of the gas station. So if I need to push my bike over there, I can do that. That Phillips 66 right there. I'm gonna fill up at that some. Dude, good luck going through this shit. Oh my God. And when I say it, I'm talking to you, Bisbo. Good luck going through this shit, because I literally can't keep track of my own thoughts, and they're all over the place. It's now 5:11. I'll probably get gas and then hop on the highway to head back to my grandparents' house, because I don't remember. 5:15 to 5:30, I think it was. Bear Hawk. Oh my God, I'm at 6 miles. I'm at 6.1 miles now. I would not like a receipt. Look at that. Got to take this out to open this. You get one. Whoa! There's a lot of pressure back in there. If you keep fly with the eagles, then don't fly with the flock. Wrong reflection. Goddamn thirsty. $13, bro. Yeah. Oh, mission failed.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I'm gonna double check and see what time they said. Okay, 5:15 and 5:30. I'm late. Well, I'm gonna be late. Time to fly. Do this by myself. Buttons are buttoned. Oh my God, there's a biker behind me. I better scooch forward. Their gas cap is undone. Do I tell them? Do I tell them? Is that weird? I'm gonna tell them. They didn't even know. I showed up for them. She gave me a weird look. Does it continue to go up if I'm not on F? Hearsay, brother. Oh my God. It doesn't know. I tricked you still. You do a video where the video ends when Fatal KC gets pulled over. Oh wait. No, I take that back. Whistling Diesel just posted a video called that. Hello. Beautiful XSR. Blue and gold. Oh my God. I'm gonna be late. I'm sorry. I gotta go to my grandparents' house. We're having chicken kebabs. I don't know what we're having, but there's something going on, and I need to get there. GoPros are not aerodynamic. Holy shit. I need to learn to stop cussing so much so you don't have to cut all of this out. Ooh, sweeping turn. Too bad there are a bunch of cars in front of me, so I can't go fast. Would it be bad of me if I just went around? I could do it. I could do it. I could totally do it. Oh my God, I'm not gonna do it. I should. I'm a. I need to learn to stop cussing so much so you don't have to cut all of this out. But he also looks like he doesn't know how to take turns, so we'll be fine. We'll just not do that. That's the safe thing, right? Sorry about it, but I gotta go. Chicken kebab at Grandpa's house. If you don't give a sorry about it, brother. Gotta get in this lane now. Oh my god. Oh my boy. Oh, I didn't do enough wheelies. There's not enough space between this truck. There will be no peaceful revolution. Well, to that, I'll say you're a really nice person, and I think you are great.
Look at this distinguished gentleman.
I should go grab his hand. How funny would that be if I just went up and tickled homie's hand? Oh, he put it back in. Never mind. Maybe I could ride up next to him and get him a fist bump. They look tired. I don't want to mess with them. Oh, that's neutral. I'm good at this, I promise. Remember, I'm a professional. I'm the best that there ever was. We're probably gonna cut it here. If you like what you saw today, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Tell Bisbee how awesome she is at editing in the comments. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.